Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. In today's class, we will be practicing some more about the topic that we started in yesterday's class. So let's first quickly revise what we have done in yesterday's class. Who is going to tell me what was the topic we discussed? Yes, hurry up. We started with the fourth number operation, that is division, right? Excellent. Okay. And what does division means? Yes, division means sharing or grouping. Very well done. Excellent, Elise. So what do we do in division? Basically, we share things among people or we group things in the form of numbers, right? Okay. Then what? And we also talked about one more thing. There was this hint or there was this practice that we carried out to understand the division. That division is what? Division is repeated subtraction. Excellent. Division is basically repeated subtraction, and we practiced many questions with the help of this statement as well. Let's say if I ask you that you have 18 candies and you are supposed to share it among 6 kids. You have 18 candies and you are supposed to share it among 6 kids, okay? So how many candies each kid have? So how will you get the answer of this? You will keep on subtracting this number from 18, right? So let's start. 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6? Yes? No, 18 minus 6, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. How many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, and 3. So this means that when we have 18 candies and we want to share it among 6 kids, every kid will get 3 candies. Got it? So this is how we helped, this is how subtraction helps us in doing division, right? Like the multiplication and addition were similar, like we discussed that multiplication is basically repeated addition. In that, we keep on adding the same number, and in this case, we keep on subtracting the same number. Got it? Okay, excellent. Now, in today's class, we will be practicing something more, and that is that we will be doing the word problems of division, right? So, all of the three operations that we have practiced in the previous classes, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, we have done the word problems as well. So, who is going to tell me what is a word problem? Yes. A word problem is basically a question in which the data is given to us in the form of statement, right? And we first extract the data from the statement and then we solve the question, right? This is the technique or this is the method that we follow, that we extract the data from the statement, right? Okay. Now let's say, look at this. Okay. So over here I have, see, over here I have, how many chocolates do I have? Let me pack them. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so here I have 8 chocolates and I want to divide these 8 chocolates among 4 kids. How many kids? 4 kids. 8 chocolates among 4 kids. So how I will divide that? What is the answer? Or let's say I give you the statement as 8 chocolates are supposed to divide it among 4 kids. How many chocolates will each kid have? So if I tell you this data in the form of the statement, what you will be doing, you will write down the data first. So you will write down it as how many chocolates we have, the number of chocolates. We have 8 chocolates. And how many kids? Number of kids. We have 4 kids. We want to divide these 8 chocolates among 4 kids. So how many chocolates will each kid have? So in order to get the answer of that, what we will be doing, we will keep on subtracting 4 from 8. So 8 minus 4, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. How many times we have subtracted? 1 and 2. This means that when we divide 8 with 4, the answer is 2. When we have 8 chocolates and we want to divide it among 4 kids, every kid will get how many chocolates? 2 chocolates. So this means that what we are doing basically, we are sharing these chocolates among 4 kids, and we will make the groups of these chocolates like this. This group will be given to one kid. This will be given to the second one. This will be given to the third one. And this will be given to the fourth one, right? So this is how we do division. This is how we practice division. And division is basically grouping or sharing. See, we are sharing the chocolates among kids, right? And similarly, we are grouping them in the form of twos. So this is known as division, right? Okay. Now note down the next statement. The next question says that there are 10 flowers and 5 vases, right? Now let's note down the data. How many flowers do we have? 10. How many vases do we have? 5. How many flowers will go into each vase? Let's make a vase over here. Let's make flower in it as well. Okay, so we have total of 10 flowers and we want to divide them in 5 vases, right? So how many flowers will go into each vase? So what we will be doing, we will subtract 5 from 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Again subtract 5 from 5. 5 minus 5, 0. How many times we have subtracted? 2. This means that when we divide 5 with 10, the answer is 2, and every vase will have 2 flowers in it. Got it? Okay, let's look at the next question. The next question says that 30 bananas are to be given to 6 monkeys. How many bananas do we have? 30. How many monkeys do we have? 6. And 30 bananas are supposed to divide it among 6 monkeys, right? So how many bananas will each monkey have? So let's start subtracting. We will subtract 6 from 30. When we subtract 6 from 30, the answer is 24. Again, subtract 6. The answer is 18. Again, subtract 6. The answer is 12. Okay, let's do it over there so that you can see all of it, okay? Let's do it over here. 30 minus 6 and the answer is 24. Again minus 6 and the answer is 18. Again minus 6 and the answer is 12. Again and 6. Again and 0. So this was a long subtraction, right? Now see how many times we have subtracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means that when we divide 6 with 30, the answer is 5. Every monkey will have how many bananas? 5 bananas. Very well done. Okay, now telling the statement to you. You are supposed to solve the next by yourself. Note down the data. 20 ice cream cones are sold to 10 girls. How many cones does each girl have? 20 ice cream cones are sold to 10 girls. How many cones will each girl have? Hurry up. What you will be doing? Number of ice creams? 20. Number of girls? 10. Now 20 minus 10? 10. 10 minus 10? 0. How many times we have subtracted? 2. So this means that every girl will have 2 cones. Very well done. Look at the next question. There are 15 kites for 5 boys. How many kites? 15 kites. How many boys? 5 boys. So how many kites will each boy have, right? So in order to get the answer of that, We will subtract 5 from 15. 15 minus 5, 10. Excellent. 10 minus 5, again 5. Very well done. And 5 minus 5, 0. So how many times we have subtracted? 3. This means that every boy will have 3 kites. Excellent. Okay. Before ending the class, I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this activity that we will be doing together, and then we'll end the class. Okay. Okay. It says that divide 8 apples into groups of 2. So subtract 2 from 8. We'll have 6. Again 2. 4. Again. This means how many groups we will be having? 4. Excellent. Divide 6 oranges into group of 3. The answer would be 2. Excellent. Divide 12 bananas into groups of 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So how many groups? 3. Excellent. Divide the 5 pears into groups of 5. 1. Very well done. Divide the 9 nectarines, yes, 9 nectarines into group of 3. So 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, again 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So how many groups do we have? 3. Very well done. Okay, class. So that was all for today. What we have practiced the word problems of division. So I want all of you to open your book, page number 68. We have practiced, this was the page that we were practicing, right? So we are done with how many? Okay, there are a total of 8 questions. We are done with 6, and you are supposed to do the last 2 by yourself at your home and let me know what are your answers. We will first discuss the answers in the tomorrow's class, and then we will be starting with the new topic. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice it at your home. Share the video with others because it's free learning. Allah Hafiz.